The Maytag washer LF and F8E1 error code occurs when the washer fails to collect enough water or detects an incorrect amount. This issue typically arises due to common causes such as turned-off water valves or a clogged water inlet screen. To resolve this problem, it is essential to start by inspecting whether the water valves are turned on. Checking both the cold and hot water inlet valves to ensure they are fully open. Additionally, verify that the water inlet hoses are securely connected to the washer and that the valves are turned on. Any kinks in the inlet hoses should be corrected to ensure proper water flow. Cleaning the water inlet screens is also crucial. Turn off the water supply. Use pliers to detach the hoses and collect any remaining water in a bucket. Locate the screen behind the inlet valve and clean it gently with a brush, soap, and water while it is still intact. After completing these steps, restore the washer and check if the error code has been cleared.